What if your high-protein dinner could taste like your favorite buffalo chicken instead of boring meal prep? Today, we're making this ridiculously flavorful buffalo chicken bowl from scratch. You only need a handful of everyday ingredients. The star is lean chicken, and we're pairing it with fresh vegetables, rice, and a creamy, protein-packed ranch sauce. Start by cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Keeping them relatively similar in size helps everything cook evenly. Add olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, salt, and plenty of black pepper. Give everything a good toss until every piece is coated. Now get a skillet nice and hot. Add the chicken in a single layer and let those edges get beautifully golden. Don't rush this part. Let the chicken develop some color before flipping it. That little bit of browning adds a huge amount of flavor. Let's make buffalo sauce. For the buffalo sauce, combine your favorite buffalo hot sauce with a little melted butter. Warm it gently until smooth and glossy. Now comes the best part. Pour that spicy blow sauce right over the chicken and toss until every piece is completely coated. Instead of a heavy ranch dressing, we're making a creamy version with Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Add ranch seasoning and a squeeze of lemon, then blend until silky smooth. For freshness and crunch, chop up some romaine, cucumber, tomatoes, carrots, and celery. These little details keep the bowl from feeling heavy. Start building the bowl with a generous scoop of warm rice. You can use white rice, brown rice, or even quinoa if that's what you have. Next, add all those fresh vegetables. I like keeping the ingredients separated so every bite has a different texture. And now, the main event. Pile on that juicy buffalo chicken. Look at that color. Finish it with that creamy homemade ranch. The cool, tangy sauce balances the heat of the buffalo chicken perfectly. If you want to take it even further, add a little shredded cheddar or creamy avocado. Totally optional, but definitely delicious. And there it is. Spicy buffalo chicken, fluffy rice, crisp vegetables, and creamy ranch, all in one seriously satisfying bowl. The chicken is tender, the vegetables give you that fresh crunch, and the buffalo ranch combination is honestly hard to beat. And this is meal prep friendly. Make several bowls ahead of time, keep the sauce separate, and you've got an easy lunch ready to grab. So if you're tired of boring chicken and rice, give this buffalo chicken bowl a shot. If you want more easy, high-protein recipes that actually taste amazing, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments, would you make this spicy or keep it mild?